Understanding the phrase, desert wind, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, desert wind. This phrase is not only picturesque but also rich in meaning. Let's dive into what makes this phrase special and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. The phrase, desert wind, literally refers to the wind that blows in a desert. Deserts, known for their extreme conditions, often experience strong, dry winds. This type of wind can carry sand and drastically change the landscape. When you hear desert wind, think of vast, sandy landscapes and the powerful, sometimes harsh winds that shape them. In a figurative sense, desert wind can be used to describe something that is strong, unpredictable, and potentially transformative. For example, if someone says, "His words were like a desert wind," they might mean that his words had a strong, unexpected impact that changed their perspective. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in a sentence. 1. Literal, the tent struggled against the fierce desert wind. 2. Figurative, her sudden decision to move abroad was like a desert wind, surprising and full of new possibilities. And that's our exploration of the phrase, desert wind. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the beauty and depth of this phrase in the English language. Whether used literally or figuratively, desert wind can add a vivid touch to your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.